How to delete the Telegram app from a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete the Telegram app from the laptop. First, check if the Telegram app is installed on your computer by searching for it in the Start menu. Then, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Now, click on Apps from the left side. Next, click on Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Telegram. Once you find Telegram, click on the three dots next to it. Now, click on Uninstall. Then confirm by clicking on Uninstall again. As you can see, the Telegram app has now been deleted from your laptop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.